Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make a traditional Kashmiri dish which is called Mutton Rogan Josh. Now there are two styles of making this Rogan Josh. One is a Muslim style, the Kashmiri Muslim style, and the other is Kashmiri Hindu style. Today we'll be learning to make it in the Kashmiri Hindu style. Now this is a part of the Vazwan culture which is prominent in both the Muslim and the Hindu culture. So for the ingredients we'll need half a kg of mutton, some mustard oil, a cup of curd, some mutton stock, some ghee, and for the spices I'll need some green cardamom, some cloves, some fennel powder, dry ginger powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, some hing, some saffron, some ratan jog, and salt. Now there are two basic misconceptions with this dish. The first one is that this is inspired by the Mughlai cuisine, which in reality is the exact opposite. The Mughals were inspired during the time of Jahangir. They were inspired by Kashmiri cuisine. And the another misconception is that we need to add tomatoes to this dish to get that bright red color or the josh. But in reality, that bright red color comes through ratan jog. Right? Now to start the recipe, I'll turn on the gas. And place a pot over it and add some mustard oil. And now I will let the mustard oil smoke for around a minute before adding the spices. Now the oil is hot enough, so it's time to add the spices and the mutton. So I'll just take some green cardamoms, and some cloves, and just saute them for around 1 minute. This is the cloves that are crackling. So I'll add the mutton. And I will give it a really nice sear. Searing is basically giving a nice color on the outside. Now I'll just cover this and let it cook for around 5 minutes. Now it has got a really nice color. So I'll just cover this and let it cook for around 5 minutes. Now for the next step, I'll take a cup of curd into this mixing bowl, and to this I'll add the spices. Take a spoon, around a teaspoon of fennel powder, 2 teaspoons of dry ginger powder, 2 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. The ideal way to do this is to get fresh Kashmiri red chilies, remove the seeds and make a powder. A little hing and a few strands of saffron. And then I'll beat this into a fine paste. And now I will add this to the mutton. Now I will let this come to a boil. Now the mutton has been boiling for around 5 minutes. Yes. So I'll just add some mutton stock to it. Mix everything together. Now I will cover it and let it cook for 2 more hours, and I will keep adding some stock as it reduces. Now the mutton has been cooking for around 2 hours. Yes. So I'll just stir everything together, cover it back and keep it aside. And I'll take another pan and put it on the flame and add some ghee to it. Now I'm doing this to release the color of this ratan jog. Now it releases its color best in some ghee or some refined oil. Just turn off the gas and it should release its color in 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's been 5 minutes and the ratan jog has released a really nice color. So I'll turn on the gas again and put the mutton back on the heat. And then I'll use a sieve and add the ghee to it. And then I'll let this cook for another half hour. But before that, I'll add the last ingredient, which is salt. So I'll just let it cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. By then it should be ready and ready to serve.